Hi everyone, welcome to the event and this joint session by the NatWest Group, Google and Cognizant. The ongoing pandemic brought several challenges in all facets of life. Business world, it has accelerated the pace of digitalization and digitization. Among other technologies, cloud has proven to be of tremendous strategic advantage to help businesses navigate these shifts. Now, various firms have taken different approaches. Today, I'm pleased to be joined with my colleagues from UK's leading bank, the NatWest Group. Under the leadership of new CEO Alison Rose, the bank has renewed its vision to champion the potential of people, families, and businesses. Now with me, I have Jennifer Scott, Alex Hutchings, and Anish Patel to share their journey of transforming their business through technology.
Hi Sachin, thank you for the introduction. NatWest Markets plc helps corporate institutional customers manage their financial risks and achieve short-term and long-term financial goals while navigating changing markets and regulation. Our digital FX platform is a self-service foreign exchange platform that helps provide those corporate institutional customers with sophisticated foreign exchange and payment solutions, which allows them to automate multi-currency payment management by integrating with systems through modern gateway applications. These products are really beneficial for our clients and business alike. We create digital experiences through client engagement, as well as creating new marketplace opportunities.
This is such an exciting business to be in. Now we all know, Jen, technology could play a big role in transforming these businesses. Would love to know, as these businesses evolved and customer needs evolved, what was your strategic response as a technology leader to help your business stakeholders realize their goals?
Our response has been to partner strategically with Google, to modernize our technology capabilities and deliver those client experiences required in a digital age by leveraging the cloud native services that they offer. We took the opportunity to re-architect our platforms, to adopt API first and data-led approaches to lay the foundations for future product proposition opportunities. That's given us an opportunity to simplify our operational process, which has really improved our time to market capabilities.
Let's move on. Let me now invite Alex to join in and explain to our audience why this project was so important for the bank.
So it's a very broad program, actually. So we've been focused on the digitization of FX capabilities to meet our new customer needs for quite a while. Our expectations from our clients is ever growing, and it's an increasingly digital market space. So to do that, we really have to look at quite a broad stakeholder group in NatWest Markets, right across that client journey. So cloud has been massively important in this space because we've used that cloud technology to remove some of the friction that we see from the legacy platforms that many companies have built up over the last 30 to 20 years. We've created that business agility. We've enabled our engineers to execute our programs much faster, and we've been able to put a lens of scalability and security across the program across all times.
Could you please tell us about how you felt and how you leveraged the transformative effects of cloud on your data strategy?
Moving to cloud has really been a great accelerator for us. GCP is great for data professionals and data analytics and to meet those organizational aspirations. Off the bat, when we've moved into cloud, we've seen a breakdown in the technical barriers and the system barriers so often seen that preclude the access to data in a reasonable time frame. Those challenges have been, when you move to cloud, they've been replaced with access to market-leading data technologies across storage use cases, streaming use cases, and data science use cases. And then when you look at what you can do in terms of scale and compute in cloud, you can take those use cases and those data sets and perform large-scale data science pieces on those, which really does add value. For example, one of the pieces we focused on is that we have been able to take many years worth of transactional data over multiple markets and multiple years, multiple product sets and client interactions and market data sets. And we've been able to run huge data science workloads on those. And that creates internal business value, but also what it gives is new client propositions and new product potential for our clients. We're at the forefront of this, but we're at the very beginning of this. So there's huge amounts of potential. It's hugely exciting for those involved, and there's a lot more to come. Cloud has allowed us to build this durable ecosystem around our data. So not only are we looking at those data science workloads, we're also building infrastructure around products like PubSub and Dataflow, allowing us to publish data into products like BigQuery, but also starting to create a federated culture around our data at the beginnings, but we are making good inroads into these ecosystems and those pieces. And I think there's no definition of done in this space. Google is constantly releasing new products and new exciting propositions in its machine learning and data capabilities. We are creating a federated culture around being able to release APIs such that we can continue to be at the forefront of the set of products and technologies that Google has to offer, such that we can continue to hit that ever-expanding set of business use cases and business expectations that we're trying to hit.
Let's now unpack this a little bit more and understand how the bank went about executing on these plans. So to have a chat, let me invite Anish.
Hi, Sachin. Execution of our program certainly had some challenges. We had key decisions to make. We started by establishing some clear goals for what is it that we wanted to achieve with our application migration programs, with a focus not just to lift and shift, but use that opportunity to really transform the services we're offering to our clients. This led us down partnerships with Google and Cognizant in terms of forming a relationship around how we architect and modernize our platforms. This also led us to selecting several cloud native technologies, which we saw huge potential in a few years ago and continue to do so as Google innovates at pace. Google's Kubernetes engine, Firebase engine, PubSub, Cloud SQL, Cloud Armor, and Apogee were just to name a few of these technologies that we reaped a lot of benefits from. The entire project was taking an agile approach in terms of our execution. We designed incremental MVPs. These MVPs we used to unlock those goals and objectives that we defined. One of the major changes that this enabled us to move into was shifting from fixed release cycles to continuous integration. This allowed us to fully adopt practices such as DevOps and bring change and run objectives benefits faster to our organization. Then as we started to look at our software testing approaches, we started to fully automate and integrate this into sprint ceremonies. What was key here was around enabling our engineers to take full ownership of our services through a shift left approach. That very much was key to our cross-functional team operating model, which we believe in very much so. And finally, all of our GCP development was operated on infrastructure as code. This enabled us to have many benefits such as on-demand environments, rapid rebuild, which then allowed us to realize cost efficiencies when not utilized. So pretty much on-demand computing benefits.
Fabulous. That reflects a very progressive thinking and the best in program management approach. Now, what would you say would be some of your key lessons learned?
Adoption of the cloud native technologies requires a different mindset. Having trusted partnerships is key, and we have that with Google and Cognizant. Focusing on API-first architectures and adoption of microservice designs gave us a lot more flexibility to pivot when we needed to. To further adopt cloud services, this requires development of DevOps and shared responsibilities with your core IT teams. Those were some of our key takeaways.
So then to wrap up, success belongs to adaptive learning enterprises. Every digital project is an opportunity to learn and to use that to accelerate overall business strategy. Jen, what would you say as a technology leader? What have been your key takeaways for the technology function of bank?
So really, the top priority for us is being responsive to our business needs. And really, the two top takeaways from this approach was having that agility and pace that was achieved through the use of the cloud capability, but also fostering an innovation-led environment, empowering our colleagues with that modern technology, really allowed them to focus on creating those customer-led business solutions.
Thank you so much. Those are such valuable insights from a very forward-looking transformational digital project. Thank you. And I must say, this is, as you said, this is only a beginning. We wish you the very best in creating the future of financial services. Congratulations to all the contributors and your teams to have shaped this incredible forward-looking project. Jen, any final words for our audience now?
Well, I think we're very much looking forward. We're continuing this journey to build out our digital presence, and we're really looking forward to collaborating with new partners as we build out our digital ecosystem. So thank you very much, Sachin.